Learning Basic AutoCAD for 21st Century Learners tutorials. The following videos are open to anyone at any level, maybe CAD enthusiasts, would-be CAD operators, or even novice users. You may use this as your guide in discovering or exploring AutoCAD as software as tool in developing your CAD projects. Introduction to CAD and AutoCAD software, some of the basic draw commands, as well as modify commands are comprehensively discussed in the presentations. You can play and pause the videos to furtherly understand the lesson. And don't forget to perform the tasks relevant to the lessons which will be shown after every video tutorial. This would be supplementary activities in enhancing and mastering your skills. Parts of this lesson 3 of the tutorials, it show how modify commands be used in accomplishing your CAD projects. These commands used in modifying or editing drawings. Move, copy, erase, trim and extend or stretch, offset, and mirror commands were some of the commands presented in this section. During preparation of drawing projects, unnecessary lines, shapes, or drawing compositions that are not needed can be deleted with ease using erase command. This command can be practiced to manage cleanliness in your drawing space. Remove irrelevant geometry or object in your drawing. Sa pagtanggal ng mga di kailangang objects o drawings ay napakadali at pwedeng gawin gamit ang magkaibang paraan. Una, using erase command at pangalawa, gamit ang delete key. In erasing, mahalaga na piliin natin kung alin ang dapat natanggalin at hindi importante sa ating drawing. Gamit ang delete key sa inyong keyboard, first, select the object na gustong alisin gamit ang left button ng mouse o using crossing. In crossing, left-click, then drag the mouse to objects to be selected and left-click again. This is to easily select the objects. And after, just press delete key in your keyboard. Kung erase command naman ang gustong gamitin, maaaring pumunta ng Home tab at hanapin sa Modify panel and left-click the erase command icon. Or, you can also type letter A in your keyboard as the shortcut key or the name of the command using E, R, A, S, E letters and press Enter or space bar. Select the objects, then press Enter or space bar to see the effect. If you wish to erase objects more than you wanted, again, use crossing as the process in easy selecting the objects or drawings. Then, press Enter. Or if you want to select all objects in the drawing space, diinan ang Ctrl plus A keys and press Delete key or type A, then press Enter. Napakadali lang ang pagtanggal ng mga di kailangang mga hugis o linya. It's a matter of selecting objects you wanted to remove and perform the next step using either by pressing the delete key or performing using erase command. Apply this command to eliminate unimportant elements in your drawing, for it creates neatness in the presentation of your CAD activities.